Hello everyone. Today we will study about another concept of admission of a partner. It is calculation of sacrificing ratio. Now all of you know whenever a new partner is admitted in the firm, what happens? Then some of the existing partners will sacrifice their share of profits in favor of new partner. Now we will calculate that ratio in which existing partners are sacrificing their share of profits in favor of new partner. Let's start with that. First of all, you must know the formula for the calculation of sacrificing ratio. The formula is sacrificing ratio. This is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. Because earlier they were getting more profits and now they are getting less profits. So, our formula for calculating the sacrificing ratio will be old ratio minus new ratio. Now we will study different situations for calculating sacrificing ratio. Our first situation, when old ratio as well as new ratio is given in the question. Just take an example like A, B and C. Three partners are there sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2:1. A new partner D is admitted and now the new profit sharing ratio is 2:1:1:2. Then how will you calculate the sacrificing ratio? First you will calculate individual sacrifice and then by equating the sacrifices you can calculate the sacrificing ratio. A, B and C. A, new share. What is our formula? Old ratio minus new ratio. So A's old share, this is equal to 3/6. B's old share 2/6 and C's old share 1/6. And from this you will deduct their new share. What is the new share of A? 2/6. What is the new share of B? It is 1/6. What is the new share of C? It is again 1/6. So here A is sacrificing how much? 1/6. Similarly, B is sacrificing how much? 1/6. And what is the sacrifice by C? Nil. Is not sacrificing anything. So, the final sacrificing ratio, if we equate all these three, what will be the sacrificing ratio among A, B and C? It will be 1:1:0. Or simply you can say sacrificing ratio between A and B, it will be 1:1. This is the very first situation for calculating sacrificing ratio. Now, let us discuss about the second situation. Like you are given A, B and C, they are sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2:1. D is admitted as a new partner for 1/6 share in the profits. Now, nothing else is given in the question. And to calculate the sacrificing ratio, what do you need? You need old ratio as well as new ratio. So first you will calculate new ratio on D's admission. That already we have discussed. Let firm's profit equal to 1, D share, it will be 1/6. So remaining profits for A, B and C. It will be 5 by 6, and how these profits will be divided? These will be divided in the ratio of 3:2:1. So 5 by 6 multiplied by 3 by 6 will be A share. 5 by 6 multiplied by 2 by 6 will be B share. And what about C? 5 by 6 multiplied by 1 by 6. Then by equating all these plus D share, we can calculate the new profit sharing ratio. A, B, C and D. For A share 15 by 36, B share 10 by 36 and C share it is 5 by 36 and D share it is 1 by 6. So here your new ratio will be 15:10:5:6. This is the new ratio. New ratio of A, B, C and D will be 15:10:5:6. Now what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the sacrificing ratio. So now by making use of old ratio and new ratio, we can calculate the sacrificing ratio. How? First, you will calculate the sacrifice of all the three partners A, B and C. A, old share 3 by 6, B, old share 2 by 6 and what about C? What is the share of C? 1 by 6 and new share of A 15 by 36, new share of B 10 by 36 and new share of C 5 by 36. So here you can calculate, it will be 3 by 36, here it will be 2 by 36 and here it will be 1 by 36. It is sacrifice made by A, it is sacrifice made by B and it is the sacrifice made by C. So by equating all these three, we can calculate the sacrificing ratio. It will be 3:2:1. This is how you can calculate sacrificing ratio when old ratio is given and share of new partner is given. Then what will be our steps? First, you will calculate new PSR. Then by comparing new PSR and the old PSR, you can easily calculate the sacrificing ratio. Now, let us discuss about the third situation. What is being given in the question? They have clearly mentioned sacrifice made by old partners in favor of new partner. Like we are given A, B and C. 3:2:1. D is admitted as a new partner. A sacrifices half of his share and B sacrifices 1 by 6 from his share in favor of D. In favor of D. While C does not sacrifice anything. That means C will retain his original share. Then how will you calculate? It is quite simple. You will calculate A sacrifice. That is given. A sacrifice, this is equal to half of A's share. Half of A share is 3 by 6. Half of 3 by 6 means 3 by 12. And what about B sacrifice? It is to be calculated or it is directly given? It is directly given 1 by 6. So B sacrifice 1 by 6. And what about C sacrifice? He is not sacrificing anything. So now you can calculate sacrificing ratio. It will be 3 by 12 is to 1 by 6 is to 0. That means it will be 3:2:0. Or simply you can say between A and B, ratio of sacrifice will be 3:2. This is the third situation when individual sacrifice by existing partners is given in the question. Now, we will discuss about the last situation. Suppose it is given ABC profit sharing ratio 3:2:1. D is admitted as a new partner for 1/6 share. And as among A, B and C, they decided to share future profits equally. And future PSR among A, B and C, it is given to be equal. Then how will you calculate? Again, first what we will calculate? We will calculate new profit sharing ratio, and then by comparing new ratio with the old ratio, we can calculate what is the sacrificing ratio. Let us assume let firm's profit it is equal to 1. What about D share? It is given 1/6. So remaining profits which are meant for A, B and C, it will be 5/6. And how these profits will be shared? These will be shared equally among A, B and C. So A's new share, it will be 5/6 into 1/3. Same will be B's new share and same will be C's new share. You need not calculate. Calculate only for A because same is the share of B and C. Now, what will be the new PSR? Can you calculate the new PSR? Yes or no? We can calculate easily new PSR. A, B, C and D. 5/18, 5/18, again 5/18, and what about D? 1/6. So ratio will be 5:5:5:3. This is the new PSR. This is the new PSR. Now, what we have to calculate? We need to calculate sacrificing ratio. So, the next step will be to compare this new ratio and old ratio. Here we are calculating sacrificing ratio. You can calculate sacrifice made by A, sacrifice made by B and sacrifice made by C. First write down their old share 3/6, 2/6, it is 1/6. What about new? New 5/18, it is again 5/18, and C share it will be 5/18. So here if you compare 4/18, 1/18, minus 2/18. So who are sacrificing here? Only A and B. And C, instead of sacrificing, he is also gaining. D is coming as a new partner and he is gaining his share from A and B. Along with D, C is also gaining some share, and the increasing C share of profit, it will be minus 2/18. So here sacrificing ratio among between A and B. You have to calculate what? Sacrificing ratio. And who are the sacrificing in this question? Only A and B. So the sacrificing ratio will be 4:1. You can compare these two. 4/18, 1/18. So ratio will be 4:1. So these are the different situations in which you can calculate sacrificing ratio. So the only way to calculate sacrificing ratio, that you need to read the statement very carefully and just see whether you need to calculate new ratio or directly sacrifices given in the question. Accordingly, you can calculate sacrificing ratio. That's all for today. In the next lecture, we will study about treatment of goodwill at the time of admission of a new partner. Till then, good day to all of you.